used in mattresses have natural resistance to fungus and mites. Hemp fiber has antibacterial properties and studies show the linen is the most hygienic textile for hospital bed linens. Natural fibers are a responsible fiber. How? Natural fibers are of major economic importance to many developing countries and vital to the livelihoods and food security of millions of small-scale farmers and producers. They include 10 million people in the cotton sector in West and Central Africa, 4 million small-scale jute farmers in Bangladesh and India, 1 million silk industry workers in China, and 1,20,000 alpaca herding families in the Andes. By choosing natural fibers, we boost the sector contribution to economic growth and help fight hunger and rural poverty. Then natural fibers are a sustainable choice. The emerging green economy is based on energy efficiency, renewable feedstocks in polymer products, industrial processes that reduce carbon emissions, and recyclable materials. Natural fibers are a renewable resource. Growing 1 ton of the jute fiber requires less than 10% of the energy used for the production of polypropylene. Natural fibers are carbon neutral. Processing produces residues that can be used in biocomposites for building houses or to generate electricity. At the end of their life cycle, natural fibers are 100% biodegradable. Natural fibers are a high-tech choice. Natural fibers have good mechanical strength, low weight and low cost that has made them particularly attractive to the automobile industry. In Europe, car makers are using an estimated 80,000 tons of natural fibers a year to reinforce thermoplastic panels. India has also developed composite boards made from coconut fiber that are more resistant to rotating than teak. Brazil is making roofing material reinforced with sisal. In Europe, hemp waste are used in cement, and China used hemp-based construction materials for the 2008 Olympics also. Natural fibers are a fashionable choice also. Natural fibers are at the heart of eco-fashion or sustainable clothing movement that seeks to create garments that are sustainable at every stage of their life cycle, from production to disposal. Natural fiber produces textile manufacturers and the clothing industry need to be aware of and respond to. The opportunities provided by growing demand for organic cotton and wool, for recyclable and biodegradable fabrics, and for fair trade practices that offer producers higher prices and protect textile industry workers more. Sustainable fibers, plant-based, animal-based and regenerated sustainable fibers. Sustainable are 3 types: plant, animal and regenerated sustainable fibers. Various products made by natural fibers. Cotton, pure cellulosic cotton is the world's most widely used natural fiber and is still the undisputed king of the global textile industry. Coir, a coarse short fiber extracted from the outer shell of the coconuts. Coir is found in ropes, mattresses, brushes, geotextiles and automobile seats. Plant-based. Flax, one of the nature's strongest vegetable fibers. Flax was also one of the first to be harvested, spun and woven into textiles. Hemp, recent advances in the cottonization of hemp fiber could open the door to the high quality clothing market. What are the plant-based products? Jute, the strong threads made from the fiber, made from jute fiber are used worldwide in sackcloth and help sustain the livelihoods of millions of small farmers. Remi fiber is white with a silky luster and is one of the strongest natural fiber similar to flax in absorbency and density. Sisal. To coats for clothing, sisal is replacing glass fibers in composite materials used to make cars and furniture. Animal-based fibers. Silk developed in ancient China, where its use was reserved for royalty. Silk remains the queen of fabrics. Wool, limited supply and exceptional characteristics have made wool the world's premier textile fiber. Regenerated cellulose fibers. Bamboo fiber is antibacterial, antifungal and soft in nature, used for garments, undergarments and socks. Sustainable fiber of future, organic cotton, that is 100% certified from the international agencies, from cultivation to the finished product and up to the packing and dispatches also. Organic cotton, what is organic textile? Organic cotton is grown without using pesticides from plants which are not genetically modified at any stage. High levels of agrochemicals are used in the production of non-organic conventional cotton. Cotton production uses more chemicals per unit area than any other crop and accounts to in a total of around 25% of the world's pesticide. The non-certified or hazardous chemicals used in the processing of cotton also pollute the air and surface waters. Residual chemicals may also initiate scale. What it contributes to environment compared to conventional cotton. Organic cotton is grown using methods and materials that have low impact on the environment. Organic production system replenishes and maintains soil fertility, reduces the use of toxic and persistent pesticides and fertilizers.